Customers expect fast answers, every time. But when requests start coming in from everywhere, things slow down. That's where Zola comes in. Zola is a multilingual AI bot assistant designed to support modern customer service operations. It responds instantly to customer and partner inquiries, reducing wait times to seconds while handling repeated and common questions automatically. When an issue requires deeper attention, Zola smoothly escalates it to a human agent, ensuring customers get the right help without delays or confusion. Zola delivers consistent, accurate, on-brand responses across all channels and languages, helping businesses maintain quality support at scale. And with 24/7, 365-day availability, customer communication continues even outside standard working hours. Join other businesses already using Zola to deliver faster, smarter, always-on customer support. Let's get you started. Call us on 071-02-57218 or email enterprise@truehost.cloud.